They were very much children of the Depression, both my parents. Very careful with their budgeting. They had, I can always remember their little notebooks that they kept to track all of their expenses by category. They would take Dad's paycheck from Eastman Kodak, and they would sort of break it up and say, this is this fund, this is the car fund, this is the clothes fund, this is the house fund, this is the savings fund. They just had all these manufactured imaginary funds that they were, all these things that they were saving for, because they both had grown up in families where they had very little, and had fallen on hard times as kids, and so they were very protective of making sure that they didn't go into debt. They never borrowed on credit cards or anything like that, but always were prudent in making sure that they could buy the things that they wanted, and we always pretty much had what we needed.